Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to unbox the new Google Pixel watch that we've been eagerly waiting for so long. So here we go. So the much anticipated Google's first Pixel smartwatch is finally here, integrating the company's Fitbit health tracking tech. But can it take on Samsung's and Apple watches? Well, this should be very interesting. I'm really looking forward to reviewing the Pixel watch. Although the Pixel watch is designed to complement and work with the company's smartphones, it is fully compatible with most Android phones, but not with Apple's iPhone. So this is the charcoal grey strap, stainless steel frame. Okay, I'll look at this in a minute. Let's check what's inside the packaging. Okay, charging dock. Yep, with USB-C port. By the way, there's no power brick in the box. Given that this is Google's first ever smartwatch, I believe they should have provided a power block or give their customers the option to request one should they need it. And then we have another strap here. Is that a spare strap? Don't know. What's this spare strap? Is that a spare strap? Oh, okay, a smaller size strap. So okay, I get it. So they've included a small strap if you've got tiny hand like mine, I guess. So it's quite heavy as well. I would say compared to the Samsung Watch 5, it's much heavier. I would put that more in the region of 5 Pro, Samsung Watch 5 Pro, that kind of heaviness. We've purchased the LTE version. The Pixel watch only comes in one size with a 41mm stainless steel case. The design is absolutely beautiful. I love the dome shape, which is Gorilla Glass, and the fact that the screen and the watch band merges smoothly into its stainless steel body is outstanding. The watch band is 20mm and can be easily detached with a small push button on each side, but can be a little fiddly to put on due to the proprietary attachment mechanism, which also means that the standard watch straps won't fit. However, I do believe with third-party straps coming out, that may be possible. The watch is loaded with sensors, which I'll go through more in details in the review. The health sensors include heart tracking, ECG, sleep tracking, and even blood oxygen sensor, although the blood oxygen sensor isn't enabled yet. The watch case thickness is 12.3 mm, weighs 36 grams. The processor is Samsung's Exynos 9110. 2 GB RAM with a 32 GB storage. The operating system is Wear OS 3.5 and the water resistant is 580M. Let's try it on the strap. The strap that's on is huge, so I'll probably swap over this one, but actually just about go on. It's quite nice actually. Actually, it fits me quite well, but as you can see, the strap is so long it's gone all the way up. So if you're small like me, you're probably going to need the smaller strap, but it looks rather nice actually. The size is perfect for my hand, and the color of the strap, it's actually got more of a kind of like a professional look to it. It certainly looks and feels premium, and most importantly, it is comfortable to wear, and someone like myself with small wrist, it's a perfect fit. However, those with bigger wrist or just like bigger watches may feel it's a bit too small for them. So on the side here we've got a microphone there, crown there, which is very nice. It gives you the feel of the traditional watches. And then you got another app button there, and then on this side you have a large speaker grill, and then here you have another microphone there. So I'm looking forward to testing out the speakers, see what they're like compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro. The watch strap in these ones are quite different as well. As you can see, the Watch 5, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, you can see they maneuver and move away like the traditional strap. You just push the button here and release it and move it away. Whereas this one is actually completely attached to the casing, so you can't actually see the silver casing because the strap goes just along the black part of the glass. So it's actually really well done, and it comes away slightly different. I'll show you once I set it all up, but you can take this, how you can take the strap off. Okay, so this is the long strap, the large size. I'm going to try to take this off, see if I can do it. So I'm assuming we press this. Yep, it does go down, and yeah, voila, I've done it. Take it off. Right, let's see if I can put it on now. So to close it, you have to press this button here, and then that's it. Click it on. Did you hear the click? It's clicked on. Let's turn it on. Yeah, it's come on. Okay, while that comes on, let's try it on with the smaller strap. Perfect. It's actually perfect. There you go. The large strap's not sticking out. It's perfect. It goes up to there. So this can be used by medium-sized hand as well. And it's a perfect size for my hand as well. There we go, it's come on. I'm gonna have to pair with the phone, so we don't have the Pixel phone. We'll be pairing it with the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. So I'll do that and come back. It's a beautiful watch. I really like the design of it, and it feels really good in the hand. The straps is also very nice and feels good to the hand, the skin. The material is nice and soft, and I loved how it merges with the watch itself, so you can actually see the frame, stainless steel frame. So the dome itself, because it's black and the bezel is black, you can't really see the bezel and the screen when it merges together, unless you actually put a bright face on. So that's a good thing. And it has this formal look to it as well, if you want, and the fact that the crown gives that traditional look. And also I love the crown because of the fact that it's so easy to just go through things and check, whereas with the the bezel, digital bezel, is harder. Sometimes it just goes really up and down very quickly, and you can lose control of the tiles you're on because you could go really fast. Whereas with the crown, it's basically you can go slow as you like or fast as you like. It's very nice. In terms of going from tiles to tiles, again, it's much easier to control and go through. And then once you get to that, you can actually go to a certain tiles that you want to have a look more in detail. You can go into it and then use the crown to go up and down slowly. Whereas with the digital bezel, it can get quite tricky. It's harder to control on the digital bezel as it's not always precise. So I think the only downside is the fact that it looks quite small. I mean, it's perfect for me. So both of the Watch 5 and Pixel Watch, they're both same size, 41 mm. But still, you'll see that the Pixel looks smaller than the Watch 5, and that's probably because of the lags and the way the strap's designed to merge with the frame. So in terms of sizes, as you can see, we have the Pixel Watch is probably the smallest out of all the watches. We've got the Apple here, we've got the Samsung Classic here,
at the Watch 4, Watch 5. Although Watch 5 and Pixel is the same size, it actually looks smaller than the Watch 5 because of the lags on Watch 5. And then Watch 5 Pro is much larger, so I guess if you have a bigger hand, you're probably more into the bigger sizes of watch, so the Pixel Watch may feel a bit small. Other than that, I guess it's perfect, but there are third-party straps coming out with lags, which makes the watch look slightly bigger, but once I get one of those, I'll do another quick update as well. So when you want to get a new watch face, all you do is hold it down and then basically select from what you already have, or you can go to the add button, which is here, and bring more new faces in. There's loads of options. There's something for everyone's taste basically, and once you've decided what watch face you want, you can actually just tap on it and it'll select it for you. Then you have a new watch face. It's very simple. So moving on, so just want to quickly show you the buttons on the side. So if you click on the side button, it'll bring up all the recent apps that you've been using. You can either go up and down like that, or my favorite is the crown. Use the crown, go slow as you like or fast as you like, and you'll show up all the recent apps that you've used basically. And then you can select it, and here we have, you can select your option and go back. So if you hold the side button down, you get the Google Assistant. How much is Pixel Watch?
For up-to-date info about the price of the new Google Pixel Watch, visit the Google Store website. To get notified about new announcements and special offers, subscribe to news and updates in your Google Store account settings.
There you go. Very helpful information, and you don't even need to read it. Fantastic. And the other thing is you can double click it to get the Google Pay, and you can program your card into it. We have used the watch to pay for coffee a few days ago, so it does work. And with the crown, the double click is also bringing up the Google Pay. So I'm going to check out later if I can change the double click of that to something else rather than bringing up the same. If you single click the crown, you get the list of all the apps, and obviously you can roll the crown to go up and down. So everything basically on the phone, on the watch that you have. And if you swipe down, you can see there's basically, you can go to all the different shortcut options. Swipe up, you get notifications, and then obviously the tiles. So we've had the watch for about a week now, and we've been testing it extensively over the last week. So we're working on a detailed review looking into the health features and battery life and overall how the watch basically performs compared to Watch 5 Pro. And also I've just received this watch band that I've ordered from Google, so I'm really excited. I'm going to try this out and do another video on this. So do watch out for those upcoming videos, and if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.